Look who is home with Mama today and in Mama's bed. Here you go, King. You're welcome. He's so sick. So he's chilling at home with Mama today in bed. Is yummy? Yes. Alright. No, you can't put it there. It's gonna fall. Call Mama when you want it, okay? Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Tyler is staying home with Mama today. No school today because he's really not feeling well. So I decided to keep him home, not sending him out at all. Me on the other hand, still stuffy, still feeling the heat from the cold, but it's getting better. I can feel that it's getting better, so that's good. I just made some green juice for both of us since we're not feeling well, to see if it can help a bit. So we're gonna have some green juice right now after having breakfast. So he actually had to sleep with me last night. He's been sleeping with me for the past few nights just to make sure he gets some rest, and he's really resting when he's in the bed. But when he's sleeping in his bed, he wakes up and he whines because of his nose stuffy and stuff like that. I've been using Vicks and it's helping a little, but I guess we just have to wait until it's run its course for him to get over it. But this week is gonna be a long week. But on the other hand, we have life, we are alive, we are blessed, we are grateful, and whatever comes our way, we're gonna go through it just like how we go through everything else. So on that note, I hope you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. And if it's not your first time, just check to make sure that your notification bell is on, you guys. And even if your notification bell is on and you are still not getting our uploads, just go to our channel every day. A video is there. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work. I don't know if he talked to you guys this morning, but if he did, you guys would have seen him. And if not, then you guys will see him later when he gets home. So let's see what Tyler and I will be up to for the rest of today, seeing that we are not doing so well, but we have to get stuff done. So let's see how today is gonna progress. I love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and I'll catch you guys throughout today. Stay blessed, stay loved.
Cold fruit then.
What?
And
Come here. You haven't talked to the faves all day. Say morning, faves. Say hello, faves.
Hey, morning, face.
Why are you home today? Why are you not at school? What happened?
Because
Come here.
where we're going?
Why are you home today? Why are you not at school? Tell faves. Because I am not feeling well.
Mama,
Tell faves you're not feeling well.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
where we're going?
We are staying home today because we are both not feeling well, right?
Because to play outside.
You can't play outside, it's cold. And you're not feeling well. You want to go outside? It's cold. Watch his face. He wants to go outside. You're so funny. You guys, I went to the supermarket on Saturday and I bought these floxy mango. That's what I call them, floxy mango, because there's nothing like... You want to do a song? Which song? Her. To play what? You want to play Alexa? I call it floxy mango because there's nothing like what you get in Jamaica, but sometimes I just feel for mango. So I bought 2 on Saturday and I'm going to try this one right now. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is that? Ah! No, you don't stand on that. You stand on your step. Get down. Go for your step if you want Faves to see you. I know this mango will taste like crap, but anyways, let's see. Funny. Actually looks good.
You do like it?
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes.
No,
Okay, so Mama gonna eat it alone. Okay?
Yes.
Mama not gonna give you any. Mama is just gonna leave piece for Papa.
And me too, I like it.
You just tell me you don't like it.
Because I say yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
You change your mind?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? What do you have to tell Faves? Huh? What do you have to tell Faves? Stop doing that. Speak properly. Use up your words. Yeah, what did I just say you're to do? You're so funny. Yeah, this mango actually looks good. It doesn't look white at all. This one might just...
Give me a pieces, please.
Can you give me a piece, please?
Give me a piece, please.
Yes. How about this little one? Wait. Bite it. Bite.
Mmm. I like it.
It actually tastes good. But because my mouth have no taste from this coal. You don't like it?
Yes, I like it.
You want more?
No more.
You don't want any more?
I say no more.
Okay. You guys, it tastes so good. This one tastes good.
I'm good at something. My blue truck is broken.
Yes, your blue truck is broken. That's pretty sad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to throw it in the bin.
And get a new one.
No, you're growing out that truck. So you'll get a bigger truck.
Why?
Because that one is too small for you.
It's for who now?
It's gonna go in the bin.
Because I said it's for who now?
The bin. No? You don't want it?
No. No more for me.
Okay.
What?
I love when he and I have these big conversations. This boy is so smart. Say no more for me.
I'm big. I'm big.
You're a big boy.
Yeah.
And the thing about this mango is that it fills you up. Jeez. I'll have to have just the seed. I can't have any more. Oh, it's so good. Tala, it's so yummy.
Yeah.
Jamaicans, we eat this mango seed until it turns white. White. Okay? And as kids, we used to, when we finish making it white, we used to try making the hair like a doll. In the country, that's what we used to do. Yes? What is that?
It's an airplane.
It's an airplane. You're using your table to make an airplane?
Yeah.
Alright, go on, fly it. Let me see. Fly it. Fly your airplane. Go on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's how you fly your airplane?
Yeah.
It's so cute. I'm gonna stop sucking this damn mango seed. Go and make dinner right now. You guys, I don't know. Oh, you guys, guess what? We are at over 1 million total views on our channel. Oh my gosh. That's amazing, isn't it?
What? Yes, it is.
Yes! Yes, that's amazing. And that's all because of you guys. I saw it this morning and I was like, oh, Shad, yes, come through. This space is empty. What is missing? Can you guys guess what is missing from right here? What was right here? The fridge. The fridge is gone. Not gone from the house, but gone from that spot. It's in its own spot now. The fridge is now in the back veranda where it's supposed to be. And we also bring this closet around here where we wanted it to be. So the fridge has now found its home. So this is where the fridge will be, in the back. So renovation is still on its way. We're still organizing and getting things in its place and stuff like that. You guys, I don't have any pumpkin, but my soup is well on its way and looking good already. So I stick to my decision to make soup today. You guys, look at this yumminess. Soup is done and I can't wait to dig in. The truth is, I already drink 1 cup of just the soup and it's heaven, and I can't wait to dig in the rest. Just dig in, literally. Alright, din din is done. So I know that sometimes babe wants something other than soup. So I just go ahead and make this filet mignon, and there's already rice in the fridge. So in case he doesn't want soup tonight and he wants meat, then he can have this for dinner. And there you go, dinner is almost done. Caramelize and looking so yummy. This is all done right now. Turn it off and let it rest until babe gets home. Sure, he's gonna have this one tonight. You guys, It's time to give my baby boy a very warm bath so he can relax for the rest of the evening before he goes to bed. You ready for a bath? Yeah? Okay. You're very tired. Look at you rubbing those eyes. Yes, you are tired. Going where with you? We're not going anywhere. We're just getting a bath so we can relax for the rest of the day. Okay?
Why?
Because you need a bath.
Why?
Why is a crooked letter like this? Is it why a crooked like that?
No.
Yes, it is a very... Stop doing that. It is a very crooked letter. Oh, stop. Calm. You're like this, huh? Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Listen, if I could go back in hands of time and change my wedding ring, I would have changed my wedding ring. If I knew my wedding ring is so beautiful and babe have the bottom piece to it so it match, but the top piece, which is this the square part, the four corner have pointed edges, and the amount of time that I cut myself and cut Tyler with it is crazy. And I am a kind of person who don't believe in changing your wedding ring after you get married. Maybe when I renew our vows, I'll get a new ring. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. See if you guys can. Wait, Della, wait. Hold on, I'm trying to show them my ring. Wait, you guys see that? You see these four corners? They're as sharp like a knife, and when it cuts deep and hard, and it hurt Tyler so many times, and it hurt me a million times. And I can't do anything with this ring, and I don't like to take off my ring. The only time I can remember taking off my ring is when I was pregnant with Tyler. And I never take off my ring again before that and after that. And I hated not having it on. I hate not having on my ring. Come, brush. Brush. Brush is so finished. Brush, brush, brush. So finished.
Yeah.
Hurry! Go like this.
Oh, so fresh!
You're so fresh.
I'm so fresh now. Yes, 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 yes. Close my teeth.
Close your titty. Yes, I'm closing your titty. Show face your tiger suit. Show face. Where you gone? Where? Go to your room. Ty, go to your room. Look who's home.
Allez, va vite t'habiller. Va vite t'habiller. Oh, you have work today. Okay. T'as joué à ta pâte à modeler?
Did you vlog this morning?
Non. Bonjour. T'allais va mettre des chaussettes si tu es malade avec le...
Notification shut up. Take your hand out your mouth.
Out. goes to
Nishka Annalie.
Nishka and
Annalie.
Annalie
And
and
Marshall Walton.
Marseille. Why does
So thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog. As you guys can see, I'm not doing bad at all. I came around very nicely today, and the day went pretty well. And look after my baby boy. He's not doing so bad either. The hardest part for him is nap time. Is when he's to sleep. Is the most challenging of them all. So baby's home, and we are going to give you guys the expressions for today. Let Papa give the expression. The Jamaican expression for today is sell off. If I get dressed going out and I said to babe, how do I look? And he turned to me and say, girl, you look sell off. Simple mean I look good, I'm fabulous, and I'm all dressed nice.
Oh.
You sell off, you
wasn't
sell off. Like that?
Yeah, when you say sell off, I was thinking like sell it off.
No.
You look sell off.
You look sell off, mean you look good.
Yeah, you look sell off.
Not right now, but
you want to know what's the French expression?
Yes.
The French expression is un sourire coûte moins cher que l'électricité, mais donne autant de lumière.
Oh, that's a long.
That's
Okay.
that's an expression. That's like a quote.
A quote.
Quote is like a smile costs less than electricity, but give you as much light.
I love that. I absolutely love that. I love that. I love that one.
Say it. If you love that one, you should
Say
remember it.
it. Say it. I'm gonna write it down in English.
Un sourire
Un sourire
coûte moins cher que l'électricité,
coûte moins cher
que l'électricité, mais donne autant de lumière.
me donne autant de lumière. I need to write it down in English. I love it. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go and get some work done on my computer and curl up in my bed because I'm cold. I think it's time to turn on the heater in this house because it's getting a little bit chilly.
Really? When I came back,
If it was up to me alone, I don't turn it on because I like when it feels this
cool. When I
cool.
came back, I was thinking, damn, today feels warm in the house.
It does. Naturally, in this house is so warm at night. I have to throw off my cover because I'm sweating.
Okay.
Even Tyler too. But if it was up to me alone, I leave it off. But
floor
I'm
is
thinking
kinda
about
cold.
Tyler. It is cold. You need to put your socks or your slippers on. Anyway, you guys, love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time to our channel. Please subscribe. And even if you're an OG, just go to our channel every day. Our videos there. YouTube is tripping as per usual and not giving people notifications. Don't know why. But on a happier note, we hit 1 million overall views today, and that's huge for me. It might not be big to some people that getting 1 million views per video. I have 1 million view per over 500 and something video, but I am grateful and I love it and I'm thankful. Yes. Anyway, you guys, catch and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, tell Fibs bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So are you sad?
Because I want it. Yes.
See your tablet here. You don't have to be sad for that. Here.
Oh, he's all in
They'll cry if none are in there. And you eat it off?
Yeah.
You too lie.
No, it's one remaining.
Baby, you can't not forget this time. Why you so lie? Why you so